Hello and welcome to another video of Excel. In this video I'd be talking about some other functions, supposedly like drop-down lists. These are great functions in order to enter data correctly. Here I have a range which contains some data. I'd have to extract the options for that. I copy this, place it anywhere. Okay, it won't come. I'd have to wait. For copying, I'll select the range, Control C, and go and place Control V. I guess it's not how it works. Control V, and then the option for control, I'd say place values. Alright, I have to remove the duplicates. Okay. Now these are the only options. What I want to do is I want to select all of this range where my data will be, and I'll go into data validation and value change it to list. Ignore the blanks, and the source would be these values. And okay, there you go. Now what this did essentially is give me an option to select these values. I can go and select all of these values like so. And at the end, I want to create a summary. Let's say this is my summary. There we go. I go back to home, just a little formatting, commercial, summary. I try to make a count if. I'm telling Excel to count if it finds this certain value in that particular range. I have to give the range. This is my range, comma, criteria. Okay, I want to adjust the range and make it static so it doesn't move when I copy the formula. Copy, Control C, and there you go. At the moment I have one i7, as you can see here, and one Core i3 laptop specification, computer specification to be specific. And as you can see, the summary is displaying the changes that I'm making. So this is a simple way to update any of your sheet, right? There you go. And all of the values keep increasing, and it's happening in the real time. It's calculating, it's being added, and in the sector, right? Let's call this add some formatting, like use the clean, maybe this is just in the middle. Select all of this, add borders, outside the borders, also outside the borders. There you go. Okay, so the numbers centered, and the heading to be enhanced and wrapped. There you go. So this is a couple small little summary giving the details of which computers I have. As you can see, it's really easy and really simple. Now, what I want to do is I want to talk about conditional formatting. I just easily select these and I go into color scales. I can differentiate all of these values based on the formula, or based on the value, particular value. It does not apply in this case scenario. But the thing is, it can indicate something. Alright, I'd say that I have, okay, select this column that I've applied the conditional formatting. I'd go back and manually go into icon set. At the moment, choosing percentage, I don't want that. I want to use numbers. Okay, when the value is greater than or is equal to 0, I want to change that to 5. That's critical. Let's greater than 5 computers of that category, I'm okay with that. And if it's less than, let's say 3, that's good. And when it's less than 0, it's a big problem. Alright, there you go. So this category is fine, this category is fine. This one is having some problems. Let's try to change that. There we go. And if we delete some of these, here you can see I have got critical problems or shortages in one category of the computer specification. This is just a simple summary and a sheet that you can develop in order to determine different functions, and you can enter the data accurately and as well get a small summary for management purposes. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Good night from my side.